Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a video into a GIF in iPhone. First of all, open a browser and type here video to GIF. Open the first website, Easy GIF. Tap on choose file and select the video. Tap on upload video. Scroll down. Tap on convert to GIF, and as you can see, the video has been successfully converted to a GIF. Then tap on save, tap on download, tap on open in, and select save to files, and the GIF will be saved to your iPhone files. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.